There's a lot of good Christmas spirit around here.
For years now, residents in Sacramento's Rockmont Circle neighborhood have been going all out for Christmas.
Gosh, I can't remember how long we've been doing it. We've been here since 2003.
Our community, we've been doing this for about 15 years now, and every year it seems to be getting bigger and bigger.
The best part's usually when we all come out the day after Thanksgiving and we decorate, and there's Christmas music playing.
But with strong winds blowing into Sacramento, some are now being forced to take those decorations down.
Someone actually knocked on my door the other night when we had like a 15-mile-hour gust of wind, and the snowman actually flew out almost into the street. So I had to go grab them out there and in the rain. We have two giant 25-foot inflatable snowmen in our front yard. They can't handle the crazy winds that are coming, so tonight we're going to have to take them down.
For others, decorations are ready to weather the storm.
I had a lot of inflatables when my son was younger. He had some inflatables, and we would have them out in the yard, and they would just, get drenched with the rain or blow away. So I decided no more inflatables.
Despite all the extra work, residents agree it's worth it.
It's great. It's a lot of work, but it's just seeing the families and the kids come around. It's in the end, all the work that you put into it, that's the most rewarding part, is just seeing the families and the kids having a good time.